by Tom Akers. News reporter people in the world's most polluted capital city are demanding action to curb emissions after waking up to a huge blanket of smog. Residents of New Delhi are growing increasingly frustrated with its ever-deteriorating air quality. Levels of dangerous fine pollutants known as 2pm.5 particles small enough to enter the lungs are now well over double the threshold classed as hazardous. The U.S. Embassy said 2pm.5 levels reached 703 on Tuesday morning, with authorities considering anything above 300 to be unhealthy. In some parts of New Delhi, air quality was so poor that it was beyond the maximum reading of 999, a level that is equal to smoking 50 cigarettes a day. Image commuters have described a burning sensation in their eyes as they travel to work. Doctors are now calling for schools to close and for the city's half-marathon, due to take place on the 19th of November, to be called off to protect runners and volunteers. "We are in a state of medical emergency. We are all shortening our lives," Dr. Arvind Kumar of Sir Ganga Ram Hospital said. New Delhi's air is known to worsen ahead of winter, as cooler air traps pollutants closer to the ground and prevents them from dispersing into the atmosphere. Firecrackers set off to celebrate Diwali add to the already toxic mix of pollution from cell engines, coal-fired power plants and industrial emissions. Last month, as the capital prepared for the Festival of Lights, shops were banned from selling fireworks in an attempt to improve air quality. Farmers in the north to the country also have a role in the crisis, with some continuing to burn crop stubble following the harvest season despite there being an official ban on the practice. People living and working in New Delhi are now calling for more to be done to protect the environment, with the hashtag smog the top trending topic on Twitter on Tuesday morning. Speaking as he walked to work in the city centre, banker Naresh Yadav said, "The moment I stepped out of my home I started coughing and there was a burning sensation in my eyes. The government can't solve this problem alone. People need to pitch in and help the government to protect the environment." India's Central Pollution Control Board said Tuesday morning's conditions were down to high levels of moisture in the air and a lack of wind. New Delhi was classed as the world's most polluted capital by the World Health Organization in 2014, and a report in the Lancet Medical Journal last month said pollution had claimed up to 2.5 million lives in India in 2015, a global high.